My name is Sean Reed and I'm a project manager. I started off about 10 years ago with a property management company, and then I've gradually worked my way into exteriors, and now I'm with OHI. I've always enjoyed working with the trades, building, doing like tree houses as a kid and everything like that. So that was always really fun for me. I've always felt like it was a really good fit for me. Plus the guy I was working for kind of adopted me into the trades. So then he gave me a really vast knowledge of everything. Values and principles for me that are really important are the ones that actually OHI brings to the table. So we have family, transparency, honesty, and just a commitment to doing great work. Favorite thing about being a project manager, I would say, would be being involved with the homeowners, and then the communication, making sure that whatever their dream is, I bring it to life. My advice to any client that's going to be working with us is never hesitate to ask questions. I think that when you have great communication and everybody's on the same page, you don't have to worry about what's being missed, and it just makes people have peace of mind. If you're watching this video, I'm excited to work for you, and I can't wait just because I really love working with homeowners and making their dreams come to life.